Hello student, today we are going to perform our third experiment, that's identification of cations in a given salt solution. Cations means positively charged ions which are present in a solution. Normally cations are divided in 6 groups. We are going to find out cations with their reference respective group by using the given procedure in the manual. For this experiment, we required some instrument, some glassware, test tube stand, test tube holder for a safety precautions because we are going to add some chemicals in it, and these are today's salt solution samples which labeled as OS1 and OS2, that means original salt solution number 1, original salt solution number 2. So our first step is identification of cation. For this we have to refer this table which contain total 6 reactions. We are going to refer these reactions step by step, one by one. If you got any one group present during the experiment, we stop on that particular reaction and we will go for the conformity test for the particular group and radical. So first test is OS plus dilute HCl. Take 1 or 2 ml of the OS in a test tube, in a clean wash test tube. Then add dilute HCl in it, which is already mentioned in the procedure. So for this reaction, check the test tube properly and see the observation which is already mentioned here. When OS react with HCl, it gives you white PPT. PPT means white solid particles appeared at the bottom of the test tube, which conclude that group 1 is present. That means Pb plus 2 lead radical may be present in a solution. If we got positive test, then we will write that test in a given table in a manual. There is some writing space which is already provided in your manual. So we will write here solution 1. We will perform the first test, OS plus dilute HCl, which gives you white PPT group 1 present in an inference column, and we will mention as well with that radical also, which is Pb plus 2 may be present. Our next step is we got one specific group, that's Pb group 1 with their own radical. Then we will go for the second step, that's a confirmatory test CT for cation. For today's solution number 1, we got group 1. So we will follow the CT for group 1. In is Pb, CT for lead. Already 3 CTs are given to you. Out of this, we will perform any one CT. Today, I am going to perform first one, that's OS plus dilute H2SO4. For this, I am going to take a new clean wash test tube. For CT, again take 1 or 2 ml of OS in a new test tube. Then add mention given acid in it. Shake the test tube properly and observe the change in a test tube. Nothing but we got a clear white precipitate at the bottom of the test tube. That means refer the table in which if you got white PPT for this, that means lead ion radical is confirmed. After performing CT, immediately we will note down that CT in our manual. Again we will write solution number 1 and we will write that CT or that reaction, given reaction in the given table. In a similar manner, we will perform the experiment for OS2. Again, I am going to refer this table for solution number 2. First test is OS plus dilute HCl. मी ॲड करून घेते मग चालू करतो. Add HCl in it and observe the change. Check the test tube properly and observe the change. We got clear solution for it. That means we can conclude here there is no PPT for this reaction. If we got no PPT, that means group 1 is absent. In such case, we will go for the second reaction in the table. Again, we will take a new, clean, fresh test tube. Again, we will take OS in it. Then read the table or given reaction carefully. OS plus dilute HCl plus H2S gas. By adding given chemicals in it, observe the change in the solutions. Again, we got a clear test tube, a clear solution. That means no PPT. Please check here the given all the options. If you got no PPT, that means second group is absent. So again, we will go for the third test of the which is given in the table. In third test, we have to add OS plus NH4Cl and NH4OH till alkaline. That means in excess quantity. We are going to add these both the chemicals in a OS. Observe the change in a test tube. For this reaction, we obtain a dirty green PPT of FeOH twice. A nice green PPT is obtained. So we can conclude on this basis that in OS solution 2, Fe plus 2 maybe ion is present. After performing that test, immediately we will write our observation in given table in this manner. Our next step is conformity test for cation. So for solution number 2, we got group 3A present plus we got Fe plus 2 radical may be present. So we will perform CT for Fe plus 2. That means ferrous, which is already given in our manual. Similarly, respect to the first section, here also 3 CTs are given to you. Out of this, we will perform second one CT, which is OS plus NaOH. In OS, we are going to add NaOH. Observe the test tube. We got nice green, dirty green precipitate in a test tube. So, right now we can conclude this Fe plus 2 radical conformed in OS number 2. After performing the CT for solution number 2, we will mention that CT in a table as it is. So, afterward, we will see the result point. Sample solution 1 react with dash reagent gives you dash PPT. Answer of the result point is mentioned in previous table. By using these reagents, we got this colored PPT for the both solutions. Then interpretation of result. First group radical present in a given sample number 1, and for the second group third A radical present in a given sample number 2. On the basis of result and interpretation, we will conclude our final result in the form of radicals in the sample number 1 and sample number 2.